So it's inevitable. We age. And what causes our skin to look older is the breakdown of collagen and elastin. And this applies to both men and women. And what if I told you that you could improve the health and look of your skin in 4 simple steps without 1 iota of a chemical and have remarkable results? I would like to tell you about Shaklee's anti-aging skincare line called Youth. Not only does Youth repair and protect your skin, but it regenerates new cells so that you can have your collagen and elastin rebuilding again. And it also helps with improvement in facial wrinkles, skin texture, age spots, dark circles, and overall helps your face and the health of your face look younger. This is where Shaklee is very different from anything else that's out there. Youth is free of over 2,500 chemicals and even questionable ingredients. So you have clinical results without compromise. There was a very large group of women that were tested over a period of time on these products, and 100% of them had a reduction in age of their face. 2/3 of those women dropped 10 years of age off their face. So this is actually proven to work and without chemicals. It's one thing to make a product that has chemicals in it that can make a difference. It's an entirely different thing to do it without any chemicals and instead using nature. Every product in the Youth line is developed with anti-aging vitamins and polyphenols. It is also non-comedogenic, which means it will not clog your pores. Youth is 100% vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and 100% guaranteed. If you don't notice a difference in your skin, you get your money back. Shaklee stands behind that. And Shaklee is currently offering a free product when you purchase the Advanced Youth Regimen. In addition to that, they're also offering 20% off all the SPF 30 Youth products, which we need for the sun. You will hear a snippet about each product from everyday women who use these products and love them, and as a result, love to share with others. So please watch this brief video, and when you're done, contact your Shaklee leader to learn more.
And this is step 1, the Luminous Gel Oil Cleanser. This is a 3-in-1 pH balanced cleanser that gently polishes, purifies, and prepares your skin. This is made with a patented blend of vitamins and polyphenols, and it contains a green algae complex. I love this cleanser because it feels great on my skin. A little bit goes a long way, and it's simple to use. You just twist it open on the bottom. You just need a little bit. And that's it. A little bit really does go a long way.
Okay, I just finished washing my face with the Youth Gel Cleanser. And now my skin is ready for the second step in the process, and that is the purifying toner. What this does is this product gets rid of dull skin cells as well as environmental pollutants. It also hydrates and nourishes your skin as it gets it ready for the next step in the process. What I love about this product is that it just feels like a big drink of water on my skin, and it is so refreshing every time I use it.
And this is what we call step 2.5 for the morning or evening. This is Radiant C plus E. This little capsule is loaded with 20% pure vitamin C and E plus raspberry extract to reduce the appearance of dark spots. You simply twist off the top, squeeze it onto your finger, and then put it all over your skin and massage it in. As you can see, there's a lot in that little guy. And the good thing about it is that little squidgely is biodegradable, which is super cool. What I love about Radiant C and E is that you can really feel it working on your skin. And right now, when you purchase the Youth Advanced Anti-Aging Regimen, you can get the product for free, which is awesome. I believe your face will thank you.
And this is step 3, our Youth Activating Serum. The Youth Activating Serum is critical in regenerating and supporting collagen, which is a vital protein in your cells. That's what makes us look younger. The serum has 10 times the patent-pending Youth Complex
that you find in the Youth line.
The Youth Activating Serum comes together to create a potent blend of ingredients that encourage renewal at the cellular level. Mom, what do you love most about the serum?
Well, first, I like how easy it is to use. You just twist it up, one pump. You do it in the AM and the PM following your toner. Spread it, and you just put it all over your skin, around your glasses. And I like the way it feels once it's on my skin. And then I just like how it makes my skin look brighter and better since I've been using it.
Mom, you look beautiful as ever.
So this is step 4 in your morning regimen. This is the Age Defense Mineral Moisturizer with SPF 30 in it. The moisturizer has zinc oxide, which is a naturally derived sunscreen, which means that you can protect your skin from pollutants and from the sun, all without chemicals. Awesome, awesome, without chemicals. And so this, you put it on, it rubs in. It's my favorite part. There's no white residue. And because it's SPF 30, Shaklee is currently offering this at 20% off, so it's a great healthy choice for your skin. This is step 4 in the youth evening process. This is the Advanced Renewal Night Cream, and this is what you put on right before you go to bed. This helps the skin renewal process while you sleep. So you wake up with softened, hydrated, and younger looking skin. It comes in 2 formulas. It comes in a light formula and it comes in a rich formula. I personally use the light formula because I have naturally super oily skin, so I don't need a whole lot of extra help. But this night cream is absolutely amazing. And my favorite part about it is I'm really 65 years old. Just kidding. I'm 39. But it's helping to keep me to where I'm happy with my skin at 39 years old and I can do it naturally.
A great addition to your youth regimen is the Restoring Eye Treatment. This product is a unique blend of peptides that will dramatically reduce the look of dark circles, puffiness, lines, and wrinkles. Even helps with sagging eyelids. Using this cool applicator tip, you squeeze out the desired amount, dot it under the eye, and simply swipe left to right until it's blended in. Let it dry completely before applying any other product. What I love about this product, you will too, is that it actually does what it says it's going to do. It has dramatically reduced the puffiness, dark eyes, and some wrinkles around my lower eye. I love it, and so will you.
Now that you've done all the steps in the regimen to repair, regenerate, and protect your skin, you may want to consider applying Shaklee's Tinted Moisturizer to even out your skin. Many of us wear makeup, and what I love about this product is you don't have to cover up all the goodness you just put on your face with a chemical. There's an option for that. Shaklee created a BB cream that is chemical free and it has an SPF 30 made entirely of zinc oxide. So you don't have to worry about putting chemicals on your face. And so what they have done, and a lot of the ingredients are the same benefits that you would get from the skincare. And they have shades 1 through 4 that you can pick from, or you can mix and match colors to match your specific skin tone. So my shade would be the number 3. And so I'm gonna put a little bit of 3 on my finger. It looks like this. But in the summertime, because I am out in the sun more often, and most of us are, you may want to add another color just to give it a little more of a golden tone. And so then put a 4 with that. I'm gonna mix that up, and I'm gonna put that on my skin. And you're gonna see it blending in as I put it on. And what I love about this beauty balm is it evens, corrects, hydrates, nourishes, and protects my skin. So because it has an SPF 30, I can be out in the sun and not worry about my skin being damaged. And another great thing about the use of this BB cream is that I can use this for more than just covering my skin. I can use it as a contour for my cheekbones, or even to accent my eyes So no need blush, no need eyeshadow, you've got it all right here. Unless you have to do some fancy colors, you are set. And because we are out enjoying the summer sun, Shaklee's actually offering a 20% discount on all of their SPF 30 youth products. And that would be the BB cream. So you can give this a try at a discount, chemical free, protecting your skin, and you can pick the right shade that's for you.